core cast in situ pile. So this can dig as deep as 130 feet. That is exactly 40 meters. You know, so this type of pile foundation has been used from past 100 years, friends. Surprising, isn't it? So the founder shares that he has used this in Chennai Mofussil bus stand. Only this type of foundation was used, it seems, in Chennai Mofussil bus stand, and big metro projects use this type, even though its age is 100 years. Surprising, isn't it? So yeah, lot more sites to see. Let's come with me.